Hey there, thank you for purchasing my course. Here's how to install your custom Cadence design library. On any page in your website, you go up to Design Library, and the connection URL is https colon forward slash forward slash designs dot wpbasicsguide.com. And in this section right here, you put in your connection access key that you will have gotten in your email, and then you click Add Connection. And once you do that, this is what you'll see. And this is the entire custom Cadence design library, as well as Cadence's own custom blocks. So you get access to the entire thing, and it includes now pages which I will be adding to constantly. Every month, we're going to be adding new pages so you can build your website really fast. So I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, get in touch with me. You can find me in the Facebook group or by email at hello@wpbasicsguide.com. Thanks.